Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and today I'm going to be planning in my food diary, which is in this Walmart Pen and Gear Traveler's Notebook. It is approximately B6 size. The poof and the tassel are from Dollar Tree. The inserts are actually Dollar Tree planners. This is the weekly planner. This is my spread from last week, and we are going to be working on this week, which is the 13th through the 19th. I actually recovered this planner. It had a pink vinyl cover on it and a chipboard base. So I foiled a piece of cardstock with the pattern that's available on my website at scrapcraftastic.com. I just printed the pattern using a laser printer and put a piece of foil over it and ran it through the laminator, and this is the look that I got, and then I just covered the insert. I will link to the video in the iCard above if you'd like to see how to do that. And I also have the monthly in here, and I talked about in a previous video how I am going to probably repurpose a lot of the pages in the back, but this is what the monthly calendars look like. Okay. I would like to decorate these. I'm not sure I will be able to, but we'll see how it goes. I have a pretty specific use for the monthly and those back pages, but like I said, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so let's get to doing the 13th through the 19th. If you didn't know, there is a weekly challenge in my Facebook group, the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group. We have a full year's worth of prompts, so everything is laid out and ready to go. And this week's prompt was Planner Glam Girl. For the most part, I will be doing the challenge in my catch-all planner, but I decided for this week I would carry it over into my food diary as well. So I pulled out a few washies that I didn't use in the other, in my catch-all spread, and I think I'm going to use them here. So these are, well, actually these three are from Capital Chic Designs in Michaels, so I think I'm going to use these. And this is a throwback washi from Michaels back when they first started doing the washi with the writing on it. I'm just seeing if that's going to fit there and what I can put on the other side over here. But yeah, I'm going to use this in the header, and maybe I can use some flowers. I haven't used the flowers in a while. The flower petals, that might work. Okay, so let's get started. Let me go ahead and wipe this out. And like I put this up here to say Hello Beautiful. Let's see if I can line it up just right in case I want to run some washi above and below it to really make it pop. Let's use the ruler to tear the washi. And I've tried other things to do the washi. Sometimes I'll use my X-Acto knife. For the most part, this Tim Holtz ruler works great for me to tear washi. It's like my go-to, and as I say that, the washi doesn't tear straight. But for the most part, it usually tears just right for me. So I also have this one. I'm not really into animal print. So maybe I can use this. Oops, it's upside down. Okay, well maybe we won't be doing the glam look. Maybe we're just gonna go for a floral look. I don't know what I'm doing here, because I like the way this looks better. Yeah. Maybe we'll save the glam look, just leave the glam look in the catch-all. Do I want to do like I did last week and change the format at the bottom? I think I do. Let's go for it. And then I need a piece of sticker paper. And that will go all the way across. Yes, it will. Let me see if I have a colorful box that I can use there before I do that. So I have these colorful box stickers. And I have the gold. Will that fit across there all the way? And I also have black. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the sticker paper down and then use the colorful boxes to go on top of that. Probably. So that's covered. Now we need to divide this in the center. Let's see what we think about this washi, because it kind of goes with that look. So let's try it out. I think I'm going to go with that. I think we need a doll. Let's see. I haven't really been doing a whole lot of decorating on these spreads, and I think I want to step it up a bit because I'm not using all of the space. So I think I have room to add more decoration. I think I'm going to use her. This doll is one of my JD and Brooklyn printables, and yeah, I think I'm going to use her. Let's put her right in the crease. This is something that I started in this planner. Putting the stickers like right in the middle. So I have this calendar book from Agenda 52, which is Hobby Lobby, and it has some dates in it. I think I'm going to use the dates from here, and I think we start with the 13th. Yeah. Let's see if I can find anything in here. And I also have these stickers left over from another spread. This kit is available in my shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. But I haven't been using the meal stickers on my other spreads because I have a food diary. So I'm going to use these here if I can get them off. There we go. And then I'm going to use this plain black tracker this week for my ACV. Let's see if there's anything else I can salvage from here. I think that's it. So, oops. I wish I could put like a little rhinestone in there, but I don't want my page to be too bulky. That is it for this week's spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journal videos, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, I forgot one thing. I forgot to trim the flowers. Let me trim the flowers real quick. Okay, now that's it. Talk to you later. Bye.